Want to boost your energy, mood, and focus in just a few minutes a day? In this video, we will share one powerful daily habit that can help you feel amazing fast. It is simple, effective, and easy to add to your routine starting today. Like this video and subscribe if you want more life-changing tips that actually work. Let us jump into the habit that makes a real difference. 1. Drink water immediately after waking up. Your body loses water overnight, and rehydration first thing supports digestion, energy, and focus. Water helps flush toxins, restart metabolism, and improve nutrient delivery throughout your system. Drinking 2 full glasses on an empty stomach improves blood flow and supports healthy circulation. Hydration also supports liver and kidney function, essential for detox and hormone regulation daily. This habit wakes up the digestive tract and prepares your body for the day ahead with full strength. It reduces hunger and cravings, helping with weight balance and mental control during the morning. Water also activates enzyme activity and supports oxygen flow to the brain and muscles naturally. 2. Get morning sunlight for 15 to 20 minutes. Natural light in the morning resets your body clock, boosts mood, and regulates melatonin production. It improves sleep quality, hormonal balance, and energy by aligning your rhythm with the sun. Sunlight also increases serotonin, which improves mood, reduces stress, and sharpens mental clarity. It helps produce vitamin D, essential for immune strength, heart function, and bone health today. Morning light sets the tone for the entire day, improving focus, productivity, and inner calm daily. Go outdoors within 1 hour of waking up, even on cloudy days, to absorb full-spectrum light benefits. This habit requires no tools, just your presence and a willingness to be with nature regularly. 3. Take a cold shower or face splash to activate your nervous system. Cold exposure trains your nervous system, improves circulation, and strengthens your blood vessels. A 30-second cold shower improves mood, reduces inflammation, and sharpens mental focus quickly. It activates brown fat, which supports metabolism and body temperature control with daily repetition. Cold exposure releases endorphins, your body's natural painkillers and mood-lifting compounds. It also improves stress resilience, helping you handle pressure and emotional challenges better. Start with cold face splashes and build up slowly to full showers for full cardiovascular training. This habit strengthens both body and mind and leaves you feeling awakened and ready to move. 4. Practice deep breathing for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Deep breathing lowers stress, improves oxygenation, and balances the body's pressure regulation system. It supports heart health, digestion, and brain function by calming your nervous system deeply. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold briefly, and exhale slowly through your mouth daily. This habit reduces anxiety, improves blood flow, and supports better emotional regulation quickly. Breath control enhances mental clarity, patience, and reaction time in both calm and stressful moments. Practice breathing in silence or combine it with nature sounds or soft music to deepen the effect. Breathing is your most accessible healing tool, always with you and free to use at any time or place. Use it first thing or during breaks to reset your body and restore mental energy with each breath. 5. Move your body with stretching or walking each morning. Gentle morning movement improves circulation, activates muscles, and supports mood regulation today. Stretching relieves joint stiffness, improves flexibility, and prepares your body for daily movement. Walking increases blood flow, supports fat metabolism, and enhances your brain's alertness level. This habit triggers endorphin release, which creates feelings of joy, strength, and mental clarity. Even 10 minutes of motion improves insulin sensitivity and helps balance blood sugar and pressure. It also supports digestion, lymph flow, and oxygen delivery to every organ throughout your system. Stretch or walk while breathing deeply for a double effect on calmness and full body awakening. Movement is your body's signal that it is time to shine. Give it that signal every single morning. 6. Express gratitude in writing or reflection every morning. Gratitude shifts your mindset, reduces stress, and boosts happiness hormones like dopamine and serotonin. It improves emotional resilience, mental clarity, and helps you approach the day with positive focus. Write down 3 things you are grateful for or reflect on blessings you often overlook each morning. This habit rewires your brain to focus on abundance rather than worry, fear, or emotional resistance. Gratitude strengthens relationships, supports immune function, and enhances emotional intelligence. Daily gratitude practice improves sleep, lowers cortisol, and creates lasting joy from within you. You do not need fancy journals, just honest reflection and consistent practice to change your mindset. 7. Eat a whole food breakfast within the first hour of waking. A whole food breakfast provides steady energy, balances blood sugar, and sharpens brain function daily. Include protein, fiber, and healthy fat to support metabolism and reduce cravings throughout the day. Avoid processed food, sugar, and white flour, which can spike blood sugar and lead to crashes quickly. Oats, eggs, fruits, seeds, or whole grain toast nourish your body and support long-term energy flow. Eating early tells your body it is safe, ending the overnight stress response and starting recovery. This habit supports weight management, pressure balance, and hormone function with consistent use. Breakfast is not just fuel, it sets your entire nervous and digestive system into balance each day. Never skip this meal if you want to feel amazing mentally and physically from morning until bedtime. 8. Listen to uplifting music or affirmations while getting ready. Uplifting music shifts your brainwaves, reduces anxiety, and energizes you with powerful rhythm daily. Positive affirmations create belief and motivation, helping you conquer the day with focused energy. This habit stimulates dopamine and activates motivation centers in your brain for performance gains. Choose empowering messages or peaceful tunes that align with how you want to feel and act each day. Playing music while dressing or preparing breakfast can make the start of your day feel joyful again. Use headphones or speakers, but be intentional about the sound and message you allow in your space. This sound therapy is free, accessible, and one of the fastest ways to shift your emotional state. 9. Visualize your day going well with calm, confidence, and purpose. Mental rehearsal improves performance, reduces fear, and builds confidence through focused attention. Spend 2 to 5 minutes imagining a calm, successful, and smooth day with positive emotional energy. See yourself handling tasks with strength, solving problems calmly, and speaking clearly and kindly. Visualization activates the same brain centers as real action, preparing you to succeed in real life. Athletes, leaders, and performers use it to win. The same power is available to you every single day. This habit aligns your body and brain with your intention and protects your mind from daily chaos. You can do it silently or pair it with breathing and soft music to deepen focus and increase peace. 10. Speak kind words to yourself as your inner motivation coach. Self-talk shapes your behavior, beliefs, and emotional stability with every thought you choose to speak. Saying kind words to yourself activates the brain's reward center and creates emotional stability. Encourage yourself with phrases like "I am strong," "I am focused," "I am grateful," and "I am healing now." These words interrupt negative spirals and train your mind to support you instead of sabotage you. Talk to yourself like you would talk to someone you love, firmly, kindly, and with full belief daily. This habit increases confidence, strengthens resilience, and boosts mental energy during hard times. Use a mirror, whisper, or say it in your head, but say it with intention and full emotional honesty. Your inner voice is your first coach. Make sure it motivates and supports you every single day. That one simple habit can help you feel better, think clearer, and stay motivated every day. Start small and stay consistent to see real results. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more practical tips to upgrade your life. Got your own daily habit that works wonders? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep feeling your best every day.